You think you know the story of Dracula? You have no idea.
Before the legend, there was the man, Vlad the Impaler. He was a warrior, he was a leader, but also he was a family man, trying to do right by his people.
The Sultan is preparing for battle and requires 1,000 boys for his army, including your son.
He's in a really diabolical situation, giving his son away or fighting a war which is almost impossible to win.
Run to your mother.
You can't protect us.
It becomes about keeping their family together at all costs.
What is it you are seeking?
I want the power to destroy my enemies and save my family.
Drink.
What Vlad is about to enter into is the ultimate sacrifice.
What's happening to you?
Welcome to your life.
I chose this because men do not fear swords. They fear monsters.
It's a story of torment and sacrifice and love and violence and power.
They will not be defeated!
This is not who you are.
It's so much fun to be taken on this ride.
There's always a prize for power.
People will know the real person behind Dracula and not just the man with the fangs.